Abby, you gonna roll over some more? Abby, come on. Uh-oh, Dad'll play with you. Ooh, what was that, huh? Mom's got to check on you, too. Come on, Abby. You gonna play with, huh? Come on, you gotta get out of there. You don't need a nap. That's all you do is nap. Come on, get up and play with everybody. Everybody's inside. Uh-oh, here comes the boss, Mozart. There's Riley. Oh.
No, you're not getting up. Go lay down.
Oh, I don't know what it... There, Abby.
Dude, look at him.
I know. Abby has to check everybody what everybody's doing. And Mozart.
No, go lay down.
Ooh, here comes Abby. Here she comes. Oh, look who found a toy. Riley found a toy.
How do we do?
She might be tiny, but she don't care. What, Jake? Here she comes. Here she comes.
Hi, how are you? I'm good. Good. And the undercover assignment?
It's over.
Buster, what are you doing? Trying to play with them?
I got a ran from intelligence.
They're too little.
I wasn't ready to work side by side with you.
They don't want to play with you.
It's like my family up there. Really like to come back.
Okay.
Is that okay with you?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay, because that was kind of quick.
Yes. Welcome back.
Oh, Mozart, you getting all tired out?
A cold case reopened. She'd only been in Chicago 6 months before she got
You just played so long, huh?
I think we have a murder weapon.
Chicago PD, next Wednesday on NBC. And on March 1st, it's the epic Chicago crossover event. Fire, PD, and introducing Chicago Justice.